Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to find and delete username and passwords that you've saved into your iPhone. Saving passwords using keychain is a super useful feature and one that I use all the time. It's nice being able to go back into your saved credentials and pulling it whenever you need it. But what if you've updated or deleted an account altogether and need to change or remove it? This is how you do it. First, open Settings. Inside of here, scroll down and then choose Passwords. Enter your passcode or use Face or Touch ID to unlock your passwords. Here you can either scroll through or search for the password that you want to edit. Once you find it, choose it and you'll be taken to the credential page. If you want to update or edit, just tap Edit on the top right, enter your updates, and then hit Done when you're finished. If you want to delete the password altogether, just tap Delete Password at the bottom and then delete again to confirm. You can also access this as a shortcut back on the last page by swiping to the left on the password and then hitting delete here. And that's how you find and edit or delete a saved password on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.